Hey, it's me, SteveWB, and welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to be doing the Max Cam screen protector for the GoPro Hero 8 Black. What it is it's a cheaper Amazon screen protector kit that you get for around $9, and it is actual tempered glass. It goes over the screen in the back and goes over the lens in the front to protect your GoPro from any scratches, dirt, or chips, hopefully, if you drop it. Without any further delay, let's get right into it. I'm going to show you how to put this screen protector on. Okay, so here it is. This is the Max Cam screen protector kit off of Amazon for roughly $9, depending on which store you bought it from. I'm going to install this on my GoPro Hero 8 Black that I just got because I want to preserve this lens right here as much as I can, because of the fact that if it gets scratched or damaged, you have to send this back to GoPro to get it fixed. These lenses are no longer removable. Just as a quick warning, I have seen some other people talking about cheaper screen protectors. The one on GoPro is $19.99. This one's half the price, but supposedly, which I don't know for sure, but the downside on getting a cheaper tempered glass on the front of your camera is it's going to produce more glare, and like facing the sun or whatever, it can cause glare issues. But time will tell for that. But that's just my warning to you. So with that being said, let's go ahead and open this up. And you'll notice that when you open it, you get two separate kits. So we're going to open this up, and on the inside is this little plastic thing that I've yet to try to figure out what it is. You have a set of wipes. You have one for cleaning and one for drying. Your small lens protector, and you have your larger lens protector, which is for the back of the camera. A cleaning cloth, and then you get this nice set of stickers right here, and these are actually for installing. You can peel this sticker off and touch the screen to remove any large debris before you clean it with the wet wipes. With all that being said and shown, this is what you get in the kit. So let's go ahead and install it as per the instructions. Step number one, according to these instructions, would be to take this little sticker right here, and you would just basically stick it on and off of your lens surfaces. As you can tell, I do have the Media Mod kit on, and I'm going to leave that on for the sole purpose of I want to make sure that glass is centered on the back, because I think that if I installed this tempered glass and it was slightly off and I put this case on, it might try to move that around, and I don't want to have that issue. So since I'm going to be using this Media Mod kit, I'm going to leave it on there when I install this tempered glass screen protector. So the next step, and we'll start with the back. Okay, so what you're going to do now is you're going to take these guide stickers that they give you, and you're going to stick them onto the glass like so, and then center your glass over your GoPro Hero 8 glass. And once you get that on, you're just going to stick this guide sticker down like so. And you can either clean the glass before or after you do this part. I probably should have cleaned it first, but with the guide stickers you can now just lay that over and you know where that's going to go. So take your wipe, number one, wet wipe. As you know, I've already used the tack cloth and touched the screen to remove any large particles that may be there. And I'm going to take this wet cloth here, and I'm going to clean this glass, making sure I get rid of any streaks or any type of blemishes whatsoever. You don't want no fingerprints, no oil, no dirt, grease, grime, nothing. So once you get that clean, then you can take your dry cloth like so, and you can just make sure your screen is nice and dry. Now that we have that done, you're going to take your screen that you're going to put on, and you're going to peel this off, and you want to take caution not to touch the part that's going to stick to your GoPro. You want to keep your fingers off, hold it on the edges, because you don't want to put a fingerprint on that side. And then with the guide stickers on, you can just let that go, and this should fall right in the right place. And then you just got to kind of work it to get it to stick down, and make sure you have no air bubbles underneath. Tack down, but because of the Media Mod kit, it's holding this edge up, so I'm going to have to pull the guide stickers off because it's not allowing the back to go down all the way. I'm just having to keep pressing and working. But just, start at the center like with any type of phone screen protector, and just rub it towards the outer edge and push any bubbles that you might have trapped underneath out. Alright, it's finally sticking all the way down. Now that I have that down, I'll take the cleaning cloth and wipe my fingerprints, and you can also use this cleaning cloth to help stick this glass down. And there you go, the back glass is protected. So all you have to do now is flip it over and do the front. To do the front, Same as the back. Use a large tacky sticker to remove any large particles. Wet cloth to actually clean the lens itself. A dry cloth to dry the lens, obviously. A dust-free cloth, so it's not going to leave any little particles on the glass that could get trapped underneath the tempered glass protector. And then we will take another guide sticker, stick it on the opposite side of the sticker that says back, because this is the side that goes down on the lens. And then what I'm going to do is I will just, guess I'll go this way. I will lay this on here and center it. Once I get that where it needs to be. And with the Media Mod kit on here, it actually acts as a built-in guide to center the glass, so it kind of helps you out. Now that I have that on there, with a guide sticker, you just lift this up, peel this off. As on the back, do not touch the surface that goes down. You can just let that go, and there it goes. And this one is much easier to settle down than the back one. Use your cleaning cloth to make sure the protector is fully down with no bubbles underneath it. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's a nice clean install. So now my Hero 8 is protected front and back from any chips, nicks, drops, scratches, so on and so forth. Okay, so that wasn't so bad, was it? We turned a 2-minute process into a 10-minute process probably, but at least you saw the proper way to install these screen protectors on your Hero 8 Black. Now it's a super simple kit, but for $9 it's a really good screen protector and about half the cost of the one from GoPro's website. So with that being said, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like my channel, please subscribe. I'm SteveWB, and I'm out.